Hi you mob, I have got 2 parcels, both of Mark's. One of them I know what it is, the other one I've got no idea. So the first one was very, very heavy and I carried it from the hall, which is 3 miles that way, right down the corridor and into the kitchen. Feeling quite proud of myself. So what have we got? I have split it open. I haven't looked in yet, but I have split it open because it was really well sellotaped. So we have a bar. Any idea what it is yet? The clue's in the weight. And we've got another bar. They're rather nice. That's cushioned, padded, red and black. Feels really nice. They look quite classy. And I don't think they were particularly expensive. We've got Destructions. We've got another bar. So that's 3 bars. 2 of those and that one. Do we know what they are? Everybody knows what they are. Apart from me, I wouldn't. And then we've got a bag full of plastic holdy things. And then we have got, I'm only going to open one. We've got weights and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Going from little tiny ones to great big heavy ones. And I just carried that box from the hall all the way through. I'm like bloody Hercules. Yes, I'm feeling quite proud of myself. Right, parcel 1. See you later. Nice chat.